Hello my dear loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you another recipe which is made by banana. Banana have many health benefits. It's help to digestion and prevent anemia and ulcer, reduce BP and risk of heart disease, and it is also help to improve the bones growth stronger and reduce the menstrual pain. Today I'm going to make banana fritter. It is also called as pori. It is commonly found in Kerala. Let's see how to make. For the first time I'm gonna try this recipe. First take banana and slice it into 2 pieces or 3 pieces. Now I am going to make a batter. First you have to take a 4 tablespoons of maida flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and pour some water and mix it well. Batter should be in semi-solid state. Leave it 30 minutes. Now I am going to make coffee. Let's make banana fritters. First you have to take a pan and pour some amount of oil and heat it 5 to 10 minutes. Take banana slice and dip it into batter. After that take it off and put into warm oil. Fry it 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's turned to golden color, take it off from the warm oil. Now I am going to prepare coffee. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and add milk. Mix it well. Now our coffee is ready. Now I am going to enjoy my coffee with the snacks. What about you guys? I hope you like my recipe. I will catch you in the next video. Until tata, don't forget to subscribe.